Isha. Good morning, children. Hope you are fine. Now, in the previous class, I have started the new lesson that Ivan's story. It was a story of gorilla, right? So, I had told you about how the gorilla will be in the forest. Means just a glance we have looked it to the gorilla. See, they did not, they won't name the gorilla as humans do, as we people. We. Humans means we. As we are, as the child is born, we keep the names, but they don't do that. Okay? So they see, observe the activities of a gorilla, baby gorilla, and later on they will keep. See, Ivan's, the previous name is different, and this is the city name. See, it will come to the city and stay with the other humans. Okay. It was in the first, it was in the forest, dense forest. In Central Africa. It was beautiful forest. Okay, it was a beautiful forest. So, the gorilla has another sister. This Ivan is having. I'll give here now name as Ivan only. The correct name, another name is there. After later on I'll say. Okay, gorilla's twin sister. Twin sister. They both are born together. So this twin sister name is Tag. Twin sister name is Tag. So why they kept it Tag means the sister used to go behind this gorilla, Ivan gorilla. Okay, so by observing always it is back towards the big gorilla only, no? So, brother gorilla, so they named, the parents named it as Tag. Now, whenever they used to play with the father gorilla and they used to jump on the belly of the father gorilla. That game never ended at all. Now, let's move to the next. Mud. What do you mean by mud? Soil. What is this mud? Why they gave you the name mud? Let us see. It did not take long for my parents to find my name. My name. That is, Ivan's another name. What is be there another name? All day long, every day, I made pictures. I drew on rocks and barks and my poor mother's back. I used to sap from leaves. I used the juice from fruits, but mostly I used mud. So, this Ivan gorilla, when it was small, it used to draw on rocks and barks. What do you mean by bark? Bark, a tree, isn't it? It is a tree. So, this upper layer or the trunk upper layer, okay, this is the bark. It used to draw on the rocks. Rock means a big stone. Okay, it used to draw on stone, on rocks, barks. This is bark. Okay, it used to draw by using the fruits juice. Fruit juice or leaves juice, like this it used to, and it used to draw on mother's back also. When mother is doing some work, there in the forest or doing something, it used to draw on the mother's back. So, to do all this, it used to use mud. It was using mud to all this drawing everything, and it used to play with mud too much. Okay, and that is why they named me Mud. What is Ivan's another name is Mud. Okay, why they named Ivan's first name is Mud. In the with parents it was there, no? The parents called this gorilla as Mud. Why they named? Because it used to draw and draw box on mother's back, and with the help of the juice fruit or the sap, or mostly it was using more mud. So it was named as Mud. To a human, mud might not sound like much. We all, what will think? Mud. The name Mud. No. It is not nice, isn't it? We think. But for them, everything. But to me, it was everything. Whatever the name is kept by your parents, you love it, isn't it? After you go, you think, what is this? Something like name is there. Some modern name would have kept, no, my mother. You may feel, but when you love your parents so much, you don't feel. The name is everything. For some reason, they have kept my name. It may be a lucky name for me. So they have kept me for me. So you think like that. You think positive. Okay. So here also gorilla says, for humans, mud means they feel something. But for me, it is everything. Protector. Protector. Next heading, subheading is protector. What does protector mean? Guard. One who guards from the wild animals. Now, you children are protected by your parents, isn't it? Or if they go to the work, they leave you in some house, isn't it? Or either relative's house or in neighbor's house, somewhere they leave you and they go. As soon as they will be thinking about you only. Where my child is there, whether it has had its breakfast, whether it is sleeping or like, they will be thinking about you only, isn't it? They protect you so much. Okay, so my family, which humans called a troop, a group of gorillas. Troop means group of gorillas. Group of gorilla. A group of gorilla is called a troop. So, was just like another gorilla family. Our family also. My group, what is it? Like other gorillas only, we also were living. There were 10 of us in my family. There were 10 members. Who are they? The silverback, that is mother. My father, the silverback, my mother, and 3 adults. There were 10 members. Father, okay, mother, 3 female gorillas, some other one. Female, 3 female, other, apart from this. Okay, and the a young called one young male. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and 2 young other gorillas. 2 other young gorillas. And for them, the mud and tag. Isn't it? Father, mother, mud, tag. This is one family. Isn't it? Along with this, 3 female gorillas were there. 1 young male gorilla, small gorilla, young. And young 2 2 other young gorillas were there. So altogether there were 10 gorillas. So Tag and I were the baby of the group. So among all these, this was very small gorilla. We found there from time to time, we fought from time to time, but my father knew how to control us with a simple scroll. See, when you also, if you are alone, you will be very good boy and very good girl, isn't it? If suppose any of your cousins or your sister or your brother comes with you, what you will do? You start quarreling with them. One other thing, you feel somewhat anger or for fun also at least you will quarrel. So then what these parents will do? Your parents what they will do? They'll shout at you, isn't it? Likewise, father also scold. And for the most part, we were happy to do what we were meant to do, to feed and search for food and nap and play. But always they used to do what they wanted to do, the work, what work they have. They have to search for food, they will sleep, they will have a nap, they'll jump from one tree to another tree. They practice that also. My father was a master at leading us to the ripest fruit. So, what the father used to do, the father gorilla used to take these babies from one tree to another and it will search which is nice fruit, it used to give to the baby to eat. Your father and mother also does it know, which is nice things, whatever fruit or whatever it is, the eating items, which is so delicious, which you like most, they will keep for you apart, isn't it? They keep for you and they will have. If it is less amount, they give you full, isn't it? So how much they love you, the parents love you. In the same way, gorillas also, not only gorillas, children, all other animals, living creatures on the world, they love their babies so much. They do not live anywhere. They look after the baby gorillas very nicely. So likewise only. And for our morning feast. And the finest bench for our night rest. So morning all they used to go to the other trees and take the nice fruits or whatever it is to eat. Morning that one. Okay. For night they used to select few trees which is strong enough to rest there, to have a sleep. He was everything. A silverback is meant to be a guide, a teacher, a protector. So he, the father gorilla. Father gorilla is always a guide because it takes from it shows the way, isn't it? So a guide, a teacher, it teaches, okay, and it is a protector. It guards the gorillas, other small gorillas. So father name, what is the father name here? Silverback. Okay, the father name is Silverback because at the back there is white hairs, gray hairs. So it is silverback. The perfect time. Gorilla babies, elephant babies, and human babies are not so different, except that the gorilla gets to spend the day riding on his mother's back. So the difference between gorilla babies or elephant babies or human are the same. They will be always, but one difference means the babies will ride on the mother's back. Okay, they spend the day riding on the mother's bad. Slowly, carefully, a young gorilla begins to go further and further away from the safety of his mother's arm. Gradually, little by little, they start leading their independent life. They move from the mother's arm. They go. As they grow, as you grow, how you will first you always will be on your mother's lap, isn't it? After later on, when you start crawling or till she gives you food, you will be in the behind the later on. Now also, now what? You'll go for playing. All before you, what were you doing? You were in the inside your house only. Now you go out to play. You start your independent life, isn't it? You start eating yourself. Before mother used to feed you. Now you start feeding yourself. You select the things as you like, as your wish. So you, one by one, the independent life will be starting. Like that here also, as the gorilla is growing, it moves slowly away from the mother's arm. So he learned the skill of he will need as an adult. As adults, as you grow by age, not by height, as your age. Now you are 10 years, I feel. So as you come to 12 years, 13 years, your lifestyle will be different. As you come to the 20 years, as your age is 20 years, then what do you do? You start your independent. You start earning your living. You earn. Now you should not go for earning. Now when is your age? After you read, after everything, you start earning. After earning, what you are going to do? You have to keep your money yourself. Isn't it? No. You have to look after your parents. They have fed you all these years, isn't it? 25 years they fed you with carefully, they protected you. The same, what I said, a guide, the parents will be guide, a protector, a teacher, everything for you. As you grow and you start earning, what you are going to do? You leave your parents? No, you should not leave your parents. You have to look after your parents as they have already took care of you very much, isn't it? They loved you so much. So as you grow, you should not forget your parents. Now you will say, no, ma'am, will not do. As you earn money, when you see the money, all the things you will forget, isn't it? So don't do that, children. You have to look after your parents. See here also the same thing. As they grow old, they look after their things. They work themselves. And skills and what they learned from their father. Skill from how to take the ripened fruit, how to jump, how to hang from one branch to another branch or one tree to another tree, or to need a strong branches to rest. So what they learned, no, first only they did not get. So they learned from them and he will need as an adult. So now they have grown. How to make a nest on branches, I told you. They learned how to make a nest on branches, weaving them tightly or they will fall apart in the mid of the night. How to beat your chest like this. How to beat your chest for your feelings, to express your feelings, their feelings. Cup your arms to amplify the sound. How to move from tree to tree. Don't let go. How to be kind, strong and loyal. As a young gorilla, you make mistakes. You play. You learn. You do it all over. It was for a while a perfect life. See, all this they have. Father gorilla has taught them everything. Now they want to lead their life. That is a perfect life. The end. Now only the end has come. No, the end has come for the forest. They were the mud was staying. Its life in the forest has end. One day, a still day was when the hot air hummed. The humans came. One day, they asked for this one jungle, the humans came and caught them. Why? After they captured my sister and me, they put in the cramped, dark crane. So they captured, they caught. Means some tricks they will do. They make the dumb and it will go down and they cannot climb up. So they were captured. They hunted them. Hunted means they can kill, but they did not kill them. They took it, they put them to the cage, dog cage, box, in a big box, cramped they call. Okay. In the cramp, the poo, tag and mud, both were being captured. Both the gorillas were captured. So somehow I knew that in order to live, I have to let my old life die. So Mud understood. Mud is very intelligent. However, I want to live with them. So let it be. Here ends my jungle life, forest life. Okay, wherever I go, I will adjust to their mentality. I will be like how they say I will be. Because otherwise, if I don't be, they will kill me. So Mud was so intelligent, so it knew that it should adjust to the humans. But my sister, what happened? Not let to go it. She kept thinking about our home all the time till she fell very sick. Girls are like that. Okay, so she did, the boy, this Mud gorilla, it is very intelligent and understood what the life is, and it was listening how it was obeying, I can say, obeying as the human says. But this sister gorilla always used to think about the jungle, home, its home. Our home is in the forest. And there, how they were living, it was thinking about the parents only. Okay, so one day it fell very sick and it died. The temporary humans, it was Mac who opened that crate, Mac who took me, and the Mac who raised me like a human baby. I drank that from a bottle. I slept in a human bed, sat in a human chair, listened with human words, swarmed around me like angry bees. So the tag died. Okay, now the Mud, it went to the city. It enjoyed the city life. Okay, it slept on the human bed, it sat on the human chair, and it was feeding with the bottle. Small babies used to drink a milk bottle, no, with a nipple. So like that, it used to drink the milk. So it enjoyed. However, Mac's wife Helen was quick to laugh, but quick to anger too. Mac's life. Who was the owner of this one is Mac. His wife was very adjustable, but sometimes she was getting angry. When she was getting angry, when I broke the blend, when I squeezed the 3 tubes of toothpaste. See, when I broke the blending, curding, you'll do know that blender, the gorilla broke it and squeezed 3 tubes of toothpaste. Whoever will be quiet. If you do, your parents will be quiet. They will also hit you or scold you. In the same way, Max's wife scolded. And a bottle of glue into it. I broke my toes, tempting to swing from a lamp finger on the ceiling. I broke 46 glasses. See, I broke 46 glasses. Well, it turns out there are many ways to break a glass. So, it was very naughty and doing more mischiefs. Every weekend, Mac and Helen drove me to the restaurant where they ordered something for me. Every weekend, they used to go to the restaurant to have their dinner or anything. For this also, they used to get some food. I went to baseball games, to the grocery stores, to a movie theater. See, there all it went to the baseball ground, to the grocery stores, to a movie also. Even though the circus, they did not have a gorilla. I rode a little motorbike and blew out candles on a birthday cake. My life as a human was an exciting one, although my parents would not have approved. So for all this, the parents used to agree, no, they also will scold. So I have done the mistake, it accepted. I have done a mistake, I will accept. If they scold, I will take it because I have done a mistake. So all the parents will do that. Hunger. In my new life as a human, it was well taken care of. Yet at night, laying alone in my pajamas, I longed for the cheerful grunt of a play fight and the easy safety of my nearby troop. So it used to wear the pajamas also at night. So, however, it enjoyed. Remember what happened to Tag. I told myself, don't think about the jungle. Still, sometime I lay awake, wishing for the warmth of another just like me. So still, it also is to remember, if Tag was not thinking about mother homesick, it was living with me only or with somebody and enjoyed the life. Now, nobody is there. So, it has died. Later, Ivan is sent for a shopping mall where he became a part of a stationary circus for many, many years. After a few years, it got old and it was sent to the mall. There in one corner, they put a cage and kept there. For many years it was there. Here he becomes used to humans watching him all the time and he hardly ever thinks of the jungle. So the humans used to come and they used to tease Adu. It was never caring. It was used to that. After people began to protest about Ivan's living condition at the mall, he is adopted by a zoo. So after some years, the Ivans fell sick and a few people did not like the Ivan to stay in the mall. They protested, no, we don't want this gorilla in the mall. So it was given to the zoo to know more about Ivan and what happened to him. Okay. So this was the Ivan's story. So hope you have understood the lesson. I'll send the PDF for this also, children. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Okay. Have a nice day, children. Read the lesson. Okay.